It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control.
Hey folks, this is Nod from Nod RC. I have had an idea. It's almost time for our biannual float fly, where we fly RC planes off of water. And I recently acquired this Easy Glider, which I've named Uneasy Glider because it's no longer easy. I've made it more difficult. I've put floats upon it, which is a questionable decision. But anyway, yeah, I haven't seen anyone else try to Aerotow. There's no motor on this, it's just a glider. So we're gonna try Aerotowing this off the lake and see how that goes. So I've just rubber banded this on, got a couple of foamy floats that I had laying around, and I made up these little mount things so you can just rubber band it on there. And other than that, it's just a completely stock Easy Glider. As I said, no motor. It's got a tow release on the front there. Yes. So, let's give this a try.
We are filming.
Uneasy Glider. So, glider got caught on the beach there a little bit, but it got in the air.
Woohoo!
Bob, the cameraman, was having some technical difficulties.
What the hell is in my face? Damn bug.
Yeah, so it towed remarkably well. I really can't complain. Floats didn't seem to affect too much. It was fine. Roger, as always, did a fine job towing. It is time to land. Excuses I know, but it was blowing like crazy. Super windy and very, very turbulent. So these are my excuses for this landing, but there you go. It is what it is.
Yeah, I got a bit of an issue getting my
Yeah, the wind's blowing it out.
I'm trying to wiggle the rudder, but it's not helping.
Yeah.
We didn't think that far ahead.